Alright guys, going on Networking 26 with another video, and in this video it's going to be a short video. All we're going to do in this one is we're going to connect our database from our hosting account into our Visual Studio, and I'm also going to connect onto it inside of SQL Server Management Studio. So for those who are using SQL Server Management Studio, um, I'm also going to show you how to connect to our server from there as well. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So we're going to log into our smarterasp.net account, and we are going to go into our control panel. And the process is going to be pretty much identical in SQL Server Management Studio as well as inside of Visual Studio itself. Okay, so we're going to click the Show Web Deploy Info. And actually, no, sorry, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our databases. And then inside of here, we see this is our database here that we created in the previous video. So let's go ahead and let's select our MS SQL. So that's the server, and we're going to pop into Management Studio, and we're going to paste that inside of our server name. And our authentication is going to be SQL Server Authentication. And then we'll grab our username and our control panel, or our password, sorry. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll click connect. Okay, it's just connecting everything up. Alright, so let's go into our databases, and you can see that we have our database here, our YouTube tutorial database, so we'll expand that. And then you can see that we have our tables, so we have our requests, our pages, and we should also have our stored procedures, which you can see here. So that's how we can access our database from our SQL Server Management Studio. Now let's go apply the same technique inside of our Visual Studio. So inside of our Server Explorer, we're going to click at the top here to connect to a database. It's not going to be connecting to a server, but it's going to be a database. So let's go ahead, let's click that, and we're going to do the same process here. So we're going to copy our server name here, paste that, and it's going to be SQL Server Authentication, and then our username and our password. So now, not all the time is it going to display the database. So generally what I do is we'll just select the name of our database, which is right there, and then we'll paste that in there like that. We'll go ahead and we'll click test connection, and you can see that it succeeded. So let's go ahead, let's click OK, and we'll click OK. And you can see that we have our database right here. So let's go ahead and let's expand our tables. And so I know I got a couple of requests in here, so just to show you that we have everything in sync, we're going to just look at the data inside of the request tables here. Just going to show table data. Okay, there we go. So we have our 2 rows of data here, so that shows that we're connected successfully to our database. So with that said, I'm going to end this video where it is right now, because in the next video we are going to work on, I want to try and get the last bit of functionality for this request feature done. But it might be broken up into 2 sections, but I'm going to try and get it done in one video. So if it's going to be a fairly lengthy video, then you'll know that we got them both done in that video. And so the next video is going to be we're going to update the status of a request. So when you send somebody an email in regards to their request from the admin panel, then it's automatically going to update the status to whatever it's going to be. We'll figure it out in that video. And then on the request page, or maybe we'll create a my request page or something like that, we'll display all that user's requests, as well as their status as well. And that's probably going to be it for that feature. And in the next series, I got another series that I'm going to be working on. And that's going to be, we're going to work on a little profiles feature. So users can add additional information to their profile and maybe add a profile image or something like that. But we'll see as we get in on that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, slap a like on it. If you have any questions, feedback, leave in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so, and you'll be notified of future videos such as this, as well as the rest of the videos in this series. You can also follow me Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Links to those will also be in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.